कुछ तो होगा ना इन पन्नों में कि क्यों सभी सक्सेसफुल लोग अपना इतना प्रेशियस टाइम इन्हें पढ़ने में यूटिलाइज करते हैं। दोज हु आर एक्सट्रीमली सीरियस अपने पर्सनल ग्रोथ को लेकर वो ऑलरेडी बुक पढ़ रहे हैं। बट इफ़ यू आर समवन हु इज स्टिल नॉट कन्विंस, देन ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। मैंने इसमें 100 रीजंस नोट डाउन किए फॉर व्हाई यू नीड टू स्टार्ट रीडिंग अ बुक। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Number 1 is to gain knowledge. This is the most fundamental reason why you need to read a book. Number 2 is to get new vision. Number 3 is to gain inspiration. Number 4 is to relax your eyes. Number 5 to get free entertainment. Number 6, experience more details even more than a movie. Number 7, it kills anxiety. Number 8, you become more grateful. Number 9, it helps in language development. Number 10, it helps to extend life by keeping neurological diseases away. 11, to increase your reading fluency. 12, helps to become a better writer. 13, helps to improve your grammar. 14, helps to learn new languages. 15, to know unknown stories. 16, to pass down the knowledge. 17, to understand history. 18, to understand culture. 19, learn important lessons in an easy way. 20, to connect with the people from the past. 21, to learn from the mistakes made earlier. 22, you might discover your passion lost in the childhood. 23, you become an expert. 24, you stay occupied. 25, you start to know yourself. 26, it gives you the edge over others. 27, you are able to see from different perspectives. 28, your time is spent productively. 29, it increases your focus and concentration. 30, it improves your memory. 31, it improves consistency. 32, it reduces stress. 33, you are able to understand people. 34, you get a better sleep. 35, you become an interesting person. 36, it makes you think harder. 37, it helps you build self-confidence. 38, it helps you change your nature from introvert to extrovert and vice versa. 39, it helps you start a conversation. 40, it improves your curiosity. 41, it improves visualization. 42, it makes you a great leader. 43, you are able to analyze details. 44, it helps you advance in your career. 45, it helps you get out of negativity. 46, you get conditioned to grow. 47, it helps you make more money. 48, it will help you in podcasts. 49, you will be able to see beyond education. 50, your laziness will convert into something more valuable. 51, it helps you get out of boredom. 52, you become more influential. 53, you become more spiritual. 54, you become more trustworthy. 55, it helps you build constructive beliefs. 56, you can travel the entire world by just sitting at one place. 57, you become a deep thinker. 58, you get out of worry. 59, you rise above ignorance. 60, it will give you hope. 61, it will help you develop values. 62, it will help you with more friends. 63, you will be able to give better guidance to others. 64, it will make you a good learner. 65, your energy will be controlled and directed. 66, you will become a good mentor. 67, you will always have a strategy, a plan for difficult times. 68, your life will start to get a meaning. 69, your desire to experience life at its fullest will increase. 70, books will show you the right way. 71, you won't react but respond. 72, you will see the iceberg which is below the water. 73, you can live a different life of the writer or the character. 74, it will help you disconnect from the noisy world. 75, you can literally go back in time. 76, you can connect with people based on similar interests. 77, your imagination will increase. 78, you will get new ideas. 79, help you stay away from the tech. 80, it may help you predict the near future. 81, your words will have more value. 82, you can experience every emotion. 83, you can get years of experience in few weeks. 84, you can learn at your own pace. 85, you can learn whenever you feel like. 86, you will learn how to frame thoughts or story along with its sequencing. 87, you will get to explore new fields and topics. 88, you can literally save money by directly learning from great minds without actually paying them the huge amount. 89, you can save time by learning things without attending or waiting for a seminar. 90, you can get clear guidelines for obstacles that you are currently facing. 91, you can start earning by actually designing a course from knowledge that you gained. 92, you will get a guide that will always stay with you. 93, sharing knowledge will become your second nature. 94, you will have various examples to relate with in any situation. 95, It will lead you to discover what is still not. 96. It helps in revival of lost knowledge. 97. It may help you to recover from the pain of losing someone. 98. You will feel naturally good because you know something more than yesterday. 99. You will realize the vastness of the wisdom available. And the last one, because you can. Ending the video in the words of J.K. Rowling, I do believe something magical can happen when you read a good book.